An API connector is another relatively simple form of app or even web application. It doesn't have to be on your phone. And it basically connects your phone or your screen or your browser directly to an API that exists somewhere in the cloud. And what's an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. And usually we're talking about an API here, which is communicating some service to your application. And so it's generally characterized by a number of forms, but those forms can take various measures, or various forms such as like a map, or they can just be like text forms, or they can be, some other form of graph that makes sense for an API to pick up. But the great thing about these, if you're a budding entrepreneur, is that there are plenty of options and even software development kits that are offered by the API that you're going to use. For example, if you're going to use SendGrid to send email and you have a better way of creating email campaigns or something along those lines, then they provide you with pretty much all the information you or your developer needs to do it. In fact, they should provide you with enough information that if you're somewhat proficient at using low code or no code tools, you can do a prototype on your own. So this is a great option. It's relatively low cost and it can provide a lot of value if you have some sort of unique take on accessing whatever service it is that you're connecting to in the cloud.